Linnworks is a popular choice for dropshippers, but before you make your decision, there are 12 important things you need to know about this platform. Let's dive right in, comparing it to competitors and helping you decide if it's the right fit for your business. First off, Linnworks offers multi-channel selling capabilities, allowing you to manage inventory, orders, and listings across multiple marketplaces like Amazon, eBay, and Walmart. However, this is something many other platforms like Shopify or BigCommerce also provide, so you need to weigh the ease of integration and support for each marketplace before deciding. The second thing to consider is its robust automation features. Linnworks allows you to automate a lot of your processes, from order fulfillment to inventory updates. While automation is a standard feature in other platforms like Oberlo, Linnworks takes it further with complex workflows, which could save you a lot of time, but it might take a learning curve to fully utilize. Next thing to think about is the pricing structure. Linnworks isn't the cheapest on the market. Their pricing is subscription-based, which starts at a higher tier than competitors like ShipStation. If you're a small business or just starting out, you might find it a bit pricey for your needs. Now, let's talk integrations. Linnworks integrates with a wide range of third-party tools like accounting software and payment processors. This is a huge plus compared to platforms like Wix, which don't offer as many integrations. However, setting up these integrations can sometimes be complex and might require support from their team, which could add to your setup time. The fifth thing is scalability. Linnworks is designed to scale with your business, whether you're just starting or already managing a large operation. But compared to something like Shopify, which is more user-friendly for small businesses, Linnworks might feel a bit overwhelming if you're a new dropshipper. Sixth, the platform's customer support. It offers support via phone, email, and live chat, which is on par with competitors like ShipBob. However, there have been reports of slower response times during peak hours, so it's something to keep in mind if you rely heavily on support. Next up, Linnworks has a very steep learning curve. While it's a powerful tool, new users might struggle to get the hang of it, especially when compared to simpler options like Shopify or Oberlo. If you're a beginner, this could take up more of your time than expected. The eighth thing is inventory management. Linnworks excels in this area, with real-time stock updates and detailed reporting. This is a key feature for dropshippers, as it helps prevent overselling. Other platforms like BigCommerce also offer inventory management, but Linnworks stands out with its comprehensive tracking and reporting tools. The ninth thing to know is shipping options. Linnworks offers advanced shipping features, including discounted rates with major carriers. This can save you a lot on shipping costs, but keep in mind that you might still find better rates on other platforms, depending on your volume. Now, let's talk about product data management. Linnworks has strong data handling capabilities, but it's not as straightforward as Shopify's drag-and-drop features. You might need a bit of technical know-how to set up and maintain your product catalog effectively. The 11th thing is the reporting and analytics features. Linnworks provides in-depth reporting, helping you track sales, inventory, and performance metrics. It's a step up from simpler platforms, but it may feel overwhelming for those who only need basic insights. Finally, Linnworks does offer a free trial, allowing you to test it out before making a full commitment. However, keep in mind that some of the most advanced features are gated behind higher tier plans, so if you're looking for specific tools, the free trial might not cover everything you need. Overall, Linnworks is a great option for businesses that want a powerful, scalable solution, but it's not always the most user-friendly or affordable for everyone. If you're looking for a better option with a smoother experience, check out our recommended solution. It's a tool you can try for free, and it might be exactly what you need to take your dropshipping business to the next level.